This is a SanDisk USB 3.0 CZ600 32 gig USB flash drive, which supports USB 3.0 interface. As you can see in item description on the packing itself, it doesn't say how fast this product works. The read speed and the write speed is not specified. That's why I will test it by myself and compare it with those SanDisk Ultra 16 gigs which working using the USB 2.0 interface. The read and write speed is up to 15 megabytes. Let's unpack this one. It cost me about $9 and it came all the way from China. There is also nothing else in the packing besides the USB flash drive itself. Let's plug it to the USB 3.0 port. Alright, and here we do have two USB 3.0 ports and one USB 2.0. So let's plug it to the USB 3.0 port. Was automatically detected. It works pretty fine for this money. About $9 for 32 gigs USB 3.0. Reading speed is 47 megabytes and writing speed is 20 megabytes, almost 21. Not bad. Let's also test this USB 2.0, the old one, 16 gigs. The testing software sometimes gives different results for both of those flash drives. As you can see while testing it with the speed out, getting 83 reading and 17 for the writing. While testing it using the USB device view, the same flash drive, F, which is 32 gigs. It gives only 13 on the writing instead of 17. And the read speed is 86. Here it's 83. So all those results are approximate. So those are results for the USB 3.0 32 gigs SanDisk. Let's test USB 2.0 16 gigs SanDisk. So this one works a lot slower. The write speed is 7 read speed is 19. This one looks a lot faster. USB 3.0, 32 gigs. More precise readings I've got using the USB flash bench. It takes a while to test, up to 5 minutes or even longer. Currently I am testing USB 3.0 32 gigs SanDisk. As you can see, the test is still in progress. 32 gigs. About 3 minutes already. And this is what I've got for this 32 gigs USB 3.0. I ran this test twice. USB flash benchmark. First time I ran it, since it's a laptop, I was running it on battery. And the second time I used the power supply. As you can see, the writing speed is not more than 95 and the read speed not more than 20. 32 gigs SanDisk. Let's run the same test twice for USB 2.0 SanDisk 16 gigs. You can open this application twice, this benchmark. So currently it will be 16 gigs SanDisk Ultra on a battery power. I will pause the video because it takes up to 3 minutes or even longer for this benchmark to run. As you can see, USB 2.0 SanDisk, even at the beginning of the benchmark, gives a lot slower results. Let's wait for the benchmark to accomplish. Almost done. Almost 5 minutes already. As you can see, it's not more than 20 megabytes. Compared to USB 3.0, a lot slower. It took 10 minutes and it started at 35 to 35. Let's run it twice. Currently it was on a battery power. Let's plug power supply. For USB 2.0, while running on a power supply, it doesn't change. As you can see, it's the same. Not like for USB 3.0. It's changing a little bit. It was a little bit higher than 20 megabytes for the reading. And for the writing as well, just a little bit. Even though it doesn't specify on the packing itself the reading and writing speed for this 32 gigs USB 3.0 flash drive, as you can see, using a huge amount of different benchmarks, I tested that it's working a lot faster compared to this USB 2.0 16 gigs. Thanks for watching.